In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a GoDaddy Airo website step by step. If you no longer need a website connected to your GoDaddy account, this tutorial will help you delete the right way, confirm the request, and finish the process safely. This is a quick and simple method, and it's especially useful if you want to clean up old projects, remove unused sites, or make sure the right website is deleted from your account. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and go to your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click on your profile name. From the menu that opens, select Renewals and Billing. This is where GoDaddy keeps your product subscriptions, including websites and related services. On the Renewals and Billing page, locate the website you want to delete. Take a moment here and make sure you've selected the correct website, especially if you have more than one product listed. Next, click the drop-down arrow next to that specific product entry. A list of options will appear, and from there, select Delete. GoDaddy will now ask you to confirm the deletion request. Check the confirmation box to acknowledge that you want to continue, then click Send Email. This step is important because GoDaddy uses email verification to make sure the request is coming from the account owner. After that, open your personal email inbox and look for the confirmation message from GoDaddy. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. When you find the email, open it and click Yes, I want to delete to complete the process. Once you confirm, the website removal request will be finalized. Depending on the product and account settings, it may take a little time for the deletion to fully process. But this final email confirmation is the key step that finishes everything. And that's it. You've now removed a GoDaddy Airo website by going through the billing area, selecting the correct product, sending the deletion email, and confirming the request from your inbox. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and let me know in the comments what software or website you want me to cover next.